Have you ever wondered if you can hear the birds speak? Welcome to Have a Peep into Our World Part 3 at http://tinyurl.com/c3ebs.
What new knowledge can we acquire now to survive this financial and economic crisis?
What if we learn how best to fish and then teach other birds how to fish and we make profit?
That is excellent, but there is one problem.
What is the problem?
We will need to acquire the right marketing skills in order to sell the idea to other birds.
What stops us from acquiring the required marketing skills in addition?
Nothing but ourselves.
Then let's fly away to http://tinyurl.com/c3ebs and acquire the knowledge now before financial endgame the humans are so afraid of catches up with birds also.
Claim your slot now and acquire the best 21st century business marketing skills using Web 2.0 means at http://tinyurl.com/3ebhsh.